Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use Apple gift card on COD Mobile, so Call of Duty. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use your gift card for any purchases or in-app purchases for your COD game, so you can firstly, what you can do, open up your Apple Store, open up your App Store, and then add your gift card to your App Store. So once you have opened up your App Store, hit on your profile here on your top right, and then hit on redeem gift card, and then now all you have to do is just simply redeem your gift card. So add your gift card. So you can either use the camera and take a photo of your gift card, or you can manually enter the gift card code and then just hit on it here, add the details, and then hit on redeem, and that's it. So the balance from a gift card will be added to your Apple ID balance. So once you have now you can, like normally how you make your in-app purchases, you can simply open up COD and then just make any purchases through the in-app purchases, and which will use the balance from your gift card. So that's how you can use your gift card on COD. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.